Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so today we're diving into the world of super-automatic espresso machines, starting with the DeLonghi Eletta, model number ECAM44660B. It's a fully automatic espresso machine, but it's listed as renewed on Amazon.
Right, and we're comparing it to the Jura E8, also a super-automatic espresso machine, and also renewed. So both are pre-owned and inspected, which is good to know up front.
Seems like both are going for that hands-off, barista-quality experience at home. The big question is, which one delivers? Yeah, the DeLonghi boasts about its automatic cappuccino system, the LatteCrema system. One-touch latte, macchiato, the works. It even does a flat white. Does the Jura offer that many milk options?
The Jura focuses on its aroma grinder and what they call the pulse extraction process, or PEP. They say it optimizes extraction, especially for ristretto and espresso. So maybe less about the milk and more about the coffee itself.
Definitely. The DeLonghi mentions a silent grinder with 13 adjustable settings. Plus, it can brew 2 cups at once. Super convenient for busy mornings. What's the water tank capacity on the Jura?
The Jura highlights its 6-level Aroma G3 grinder, which they say is twice as fast as conventional grinders. The water tank holds 64 ounces. It seems like the Jura is really emphasizing speed and efficiency.
The DeLonghi has a milk jug and a cup warmer too, which is a nice touch. It weighs in at 24.2 pounds and is about 18 inches tall, so it might take up some counter space.
The Jura has their fine foam technology for milk, promising that perfect microfoam. One reviewer mentioned the milk wasn't hot enough for their latte, though. That's something to consider. It's also much lighter, only 1 pound according to the specs, but those dimensions seem off.
Cleanup is always a pain, but the DeLonghi says its removable parts are dishwasher safe. That's a huge plus in my book.
The Jura boasts an intelligent water system for automatic filter detection using RFID technology. Smart! It also has a TFT color display for easy operation.
The DeLonghi seems a bit bigger, around 14 inches deep, while the Jura is wider at more than 21 inches, so measure your counter space.
True, and while the listed weight of the Jura seems incorrect, the dimensions suggest it might be a bit bulkier overall, despite the lighter weight claim.
The DeLonghi can use either coffee beans or ground coffee, which gives you options if you want to try different blends or decaf.
The Jura seems to be all about the beans, focusing on grinding them perfectly with that Aroma G3 grinder. No mention of using pre-ground coffee. Both promise a luxurious design, because who doesn't want a good-looking coffee machine? The DeLonghi is black, while the Jura E8 we're looking at is white.
Yeah, the DeLonghi has a touch control panel, which seems pretty modern and intuitive.
The Jura has a TFT color display, which is also sleek and likely provides more detailed information.
Ultimately, it depends on what you value more. A wider range of milk frothing options, and the flexibility to use pre-ground coffee or potentially faster grinding, and a focus on pure espresso quality. Both are renewed, so factor that into your budget and expectations. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.